A small brown dog sitting alone under a tree in a quiet park, looking sad and lonely. A small sparrow perched on a branch above a lonely brown dog, curiously watching. A tiny sparrow chirping cheerfully on the ground, while a small brown dog watches curiously. A joyful brown dog running playfully, chasing a small sparrow, flying low around it, a small sparrow, with an injured wing lying on the ground, while a brown dog approaches with concern. A small brown dog carrying a tiny sparrow on its back, walking together under the warm sunlight.